In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to photograph an installation. What makes an installation different from other kinds of artworks is that they are context specific, meaning that the location is important to the meaning of the work. First, we are going to look at the what. What is the object? We will need a view of the object in its entirety, so we can consider it for its form. You may need a couple of points of views. Think of standing so that the sunlight is coming from the side, if that's possible. You may need to choose a specific time of day to get the best light. You will want to photograph the work as a whole from a couple of angles to reveal scale, texture, and materials. So take photos of the details to show the texture of the materials. In order to know where the installation exists, we need to step back to get a larger view and include information such as the location of this work, which is next to an industrial landscape and a bicycle path. If the installation is outside, aim for a bright, overcast day if you can. For interior installations, you may need to add light. Take note of the existing light and add light of the same color.